How to make John's Viking stew. Ingredients: 2 packs of Italian sausage, 1 pack of gnocchi, carrots, peel them, onions, white onion saute with garlic paste and olive oil, 4 pounds of ground beef and green onion, Worcestershire sauce, bone broth, tomato paste.
Holy shit, the strawberry one is good.
Well, you don't want that. Extra iron.
Don't want that. Garbage. Don't forget that part.
Alright, so the whole can goes in the broth. And then you mix it all together. Get a good shot of mixing. Yep. Okay, you just pause it. After adding the tomato paste, you're gonna sit and let it simmer. While you're waiting for the broth to simmer, you're gonna start making your meatballs. So I got 4 pounds of ground beef and 1 thing of green onion. We are going to mix Worcestershire sauce. I did about half the bottle. Gonna add eggs.
Have you noticed that though? Like they always cover the whole face.
I'm using it all. It's not going to anybody important.
Do you know much about bass fishing? Do you know what a big bass looks like?
Yes.
Okay, well fucking... They're normally like as big as this phone. Look at this bass though.
Jesus.
Dude, back when I was obsessed with bass fishing.
Did you put eggs in there too?
Yep.
Ooh, that was cool.
That was a close one.
Yep. Dude, some of these...
That's it?
Part of the recipe keeps keeping all of the food in the bowl.
Yes.
Don't spill it.
Yes, don't
Another
drop
part of
it.
the recipe is catching coronavirus and then coughing it directly into the bowl. That's probably like
Meatballs.
Louisiana out in the swamp.
Meatballs.
Doesn't really matter what size. You can make them from like half a golf ball to a golf ball.
Oh, so size doesn't matter?
Size doesn't matter in
I
this
don't know what
case.
kind of fish this is, but look at
It's
that.
the motion in the ocean, not the size of the boat.
That's what goes into it.
Dude, look at this fish.
All right, you can pause it.
Look at this fish. It's a big fish. Holy shit, that is a big fish.
Alright.
All right, Jay's gonna show us how to carrot it up.
Yep, this is after the broth starts to well, you're good. Go ahead. Yeah. Just
There you go.
alright,
Nice
keep going.
Yeah, a little bit more.
There you go, that's good.
And
There you go.
there you go.
There you go.
Alright, so you gotta cover it after you put the carrots in. Definitely goes in that one.
Yeah, she
Got to
made it
cover
nice
the
and
carrots
There
before
you
you
go.
put them in,
Other way.
or after you put them in.
Perfect. Alright. After you make your 4 pounds of meatballs, it's time to cut up the Italian sausage.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna cut up our Italian sausage.
Sausage.
Sausage
Don't.
into our pot. Just gonna make big cuts. Just adding more protein to the protein soup. Alright, that's good, bud.
All right.
Now you press the. Yep, pause. Alright. 2 packs of Italian sausage. Cut up.
Are you okay?
I'm a way better cook than Mom. For sure. Yo,
What?
who's a better cook?
Me?
No way.
Or
So while you're waiting for your broth to boil and the carrots to soften up a little bit, it's a perfect time
I just took my letter.
to get some curls in
I'm gonna use this.
and
so
shoot
that-
shit out your window.
Mandy's being.
So once your pots are simmering, that's when you're gonna throw the meat into the pot. So, I'm gonna let Jay take the camera. So, you're gonna take your whole tray of meatballs and you're gonna equally, here, come back a little bit. You're good. Got it?
I got it.
Oh, look at all that blood. Whoops. Alright, so you're just gonna equally put meatballs in each of the pots. Half and half. This is what makes it the protein soup. Just both pots. Alright, that's good. Press the pause button. Next, after you fill the pot with your meatballs, yeah, it's going to Kelsey. Want to say something for her? It's like a 10-minute long video.
Whatever.
Okay, that's it? That's all you gotta say.
I
Alright,
didn't even know how to cook that if I didn't tell you.
alright.
Try to act like you're a fucking ace.
I'm Chef John.
You are not.
Chef John here. Alright. Gonna add your Italian sausage to the mix.
Do you know any alcohol over here?
Yeah, I got alcohol. What do you mean?
I'm almost done with my bottle. I'm gonna go back on the meat. So.
Get some whiskey.
Oh, I need this. This is mine.
Dude, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put in cabbage. There's not enough room.
You have to just chop it thinner and add it a little bit as it steams.
Yeah, it's just I'm like all out of room in my fucking protein
You
soup.
need that one pot.
Alright, so now your Italian sausage and your meatballs are in the pot. Cover it back up. And you're gonna wait 30 minutes. 30. Or actually, you're gonna wait 20 until you put the cabbage and the gnocchi. Gnocchi.